Show me where your babies are. Where's the babies? You gonna show me? Come on. Good girl. You're not her baby. What are you doing, bub? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 6 little heads. How old are they? They gotta be at least a couple days. How old are your babies? You gave birth to all of them. This guy apparently also takes care of them. They're so itty-bitty and cute. Oh, you just dropped food on them. Did you name them all? What do y'all think? Is this what y'all do? You just sit up here, let the horse take care of the babies? Oh my goodness.